Everyone, today I'd like to show you the exercise of how to auto-generate invoice from drop-down selection. And the goal of this exercise is I'm gonna populate invoice details from a selected item. I've already prepared for our convenience this item here, and I got 4 columns which include code, item, the price, and the stock. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna populate the invoice here in the next sheet, which is still blank right now. So what I'm gonna do is initially I'm gonna format this into table. So just click Control plus T. Okay, automatically it has selected all the items, and all you have to do is just click OK. Now it's in table format. Okay, then the next thing is I'm gonna copy this headers. Okay, I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna go to the invoice sheet tab. Then I'm gonna paste spatial and transpose. So I got already the code, item, price, stock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the drop down list here in B1, B2, B3, and B4 for the code, item, price, and stock. So okay, that's how I'm gonna do it. So let's start doing this, and the code first. So in the code, I'm gonna go to the data, and then click the data validation. In data validation, get the list, and then for the source, I'm gonna get the code here in the products. So I'm gonna get the code, then I'm gonna click OK. There you have it. You get all the codes here. Number 1 code, 002, C004, etc. Okay, so the next thing is I'm gonna get the item. I'm gonna use an X lookup function here. So I'm gonna use X lookup, open parenthesis, then the lookup value is the B1, which is the code, and then comma, and then the lookup array is I'm gonna get the code first. Okay, I'm gonna get the code, this code. Okay, then comma, then next thing that I'm gonna get is the item. Okay, then I'm gonna close it, then enter. There you have it. You get the mouse of code C001. Okay, if I'm going to put this keyboard, I'm gonna get this C003. That would be monitor, 40-inch monitor. And number 5 is memory, DDR3 16 GB. Okay, let me check other item. Number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. Okay, that's all I got. So let me go back to number 1 code. Okay, the next drop down list would be the price. So again, I'm gonna use the lookup. So for me to make it quicker, I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna paste it. Control C, Control V to copy. I'm gonna copy this one also, the for the stock. Press Control B. Okay. So all I've got to do is I'm gonna change this again to B1 because the lookup value would be in B1, the code. Okay. And for the table, since I'm gonna get the price, I'm gonna get the code first. So I'm gonna get this, then I'm gonna get the item, or rather the price. Okay, then I'm gonna close it, then enter. There you have it. I got the 100. And then for the stock, again, I'm gonna change this to B1. Then of course I'm gonna get the code, because that would be the basis of the drop down list. So I'm gonna get the code, and then comma, no, rather remove this, and then I'm gonna get the range for the stock. I'm gonna close it, enter. Okay, there you have it. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna align this. I'm gonna go to home, then go to the right, align right. Okay, there you have it. So I got number 2 code, which is for keyboard, then number 3 for the monitor, 14-inch monitor. I got 4 for the USB-C cable, and then for the number 5 code, memory DDR3 16 GB, number 6. Okay, you can get this item by item. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.